Hey guys, it's Al with techmadeezy, and I finally got my hands on a couple of the 4-drawer ToughBuilt Stacktech boxes. And I'll tell you, I'm excited because I'm going to be moving my nuts and my screws and all of my stuff out of my organizers. You know what? I'm just tired of lifting boxes to get to my stuff. And I'm so glad to see Amazon and Lowe's actually have these boxes in stock. Now, I'm going to have links in the video description if you want to pick this stuff up, but let's go ahead and check this out. All right, I'm in the basement. I finally put the majority of my StackTech down here. And as you can see on this side, I've got single drawers, I've got the double drawers, and then I've got the rolling single drawer. I've got the 4 drawers. I've got 2 of those. And then I've got a large box that just opens up, right? That's a drawer. And these are the OGs, right? I've got the rolling toolbox. And then I've got the actual large box, XL, I believe, XL. Again, I have to take everything off to get into it, right? That's why I love these guys now. I've got my organizers. So I've got a large organizer. I've got a bunch of these small organizers, and that's what this video is about today. I've got a tiny organizer. I even have the adapter plates I did a video on. Again, I'll go over some of this stuff, and then here I've got, the rolling 2 drawer. I've got 3 drawer here, and this is with the 1 large and the 2, and then that's the OG 3 drawer. I've got obviously the crate. I've got the toolbox. I've got the work surface. So I've got the majority of everything. You know what I'm waiting on? The advanced transporter. Been waiting years for that. What is going on? But guys, I'm excited because today for me, I just want to share with you, kind of why I am moving a lot of the stuff from these organizers into the drawers. Now, I'm going to lose portability a little bit, right? That means I'd have to grab this whole box and bring it with me if I need to, go upstairs or take it with me on a job. These guys are nice because they're individual and you can just take them with you too. But I have to unstack. I hate unstacking. So I'm going to be taking the majority of this stuff and putting it in these 2. And as you can see, I still have to organize everything. So I'm going to do that. But very excited. Oh, and there's the 4-wheel dolly, by the way. All right, let's jump in. Anyway, I just want to share. That's all. I hope it helps you. Now, one thing I like about the 4 drawer and the dividers is that this divider locks in 3 places. So it's got, as you can see, a groove, and then it locks in there, and it locks in the front. So you can't make any mistakes, and you just push it down, and now you have room to take the smaller dividers and really lock them in. Now, they are not easy to remove. Let me just tell you that. So when you get these in here, right, and if you get them on right, because I'm on camera, all right, they are going to add, stability, and try to take this out when you get a chance. It's not easy, so just so you'll know. But, I'm going to set this up the best I can. I'm not going to get the same convenience that I have with these guys because, again, there's just things that I like about how you can remove a divider from a container, or you can add one so you can have 2 different size screws. Here, I'm going to have sections, and there's a limit. So let me fill this up and I'll show you. So as you can see here, I now have 12 sections. I've got sections for a bunch of stuff here, right here, a couple of maybe the, different size screws that I'm going to put in here. And the drawer, by the way, pulls all the way out. So you get full access. That's another thing that I like about the 4 drawer is it pulls all the way out. It's got ball bearing, steel slides. You could see here, really nice, very smooth. And they do click in. So when you're done, you're going to click that in. And then if you need to lock it, you lock it. This is the new 4 drawer. But again, these guys are not going to open easy. I noticed that. It definitely takes some pulling to do that. Now, these organizers honestly can be very, very useful. Again, you've got small guys like this, right? And again, they're customizable. You can take the dividers out. You can take out some of the trays. So that's the smallest. And then this guy here is compact, you know, and you could see here that, again, you can take out dividers. You know, I've got room for long nails, stuff like that. And then obviously if you need a larger, deeper organizer, well, that's going to be it right there. Now, guys, I did a video comparing and giving all the details on these guys. If you want to see it, I'll put an image up right there in the left-hand corner, and I will put a link in the video description. So let me just show you what I'm working with here. So as you can see, I've got a ton of different kinds of screws in this one, right? Now I'm going to unlatch this, and I'm going to just throw it on top. As you can see in this one, I mean, I've got everything. You know, just a mixture of hooks and all types of washers and stuff like that. So again, real helpful. And then I've got this guy here. So I've got three, you know, nails, big nails, huge nails. Again, more screws, anchors, you name it. So, you know, instead of me having to put these on top and remove them, I want stuff in drawers, because a lot of times I'm not really taking stuff out of the house. That's what I want to do. One tip I will give you while you're setting up your drawers, as you can see I'm taking some stuff out of here, is don't push these all the way in yet. And the reason why I say that is if you push the dividers in all the way, they're really hard to get out. So just leave them, kind of design your drawer, see that it works, and after you're done, you can easily push these down and lock them in place. They're not impossible to get out, but they're really, really hard. So guys, I'm done. And I got to tell you, as much as I like these, I hate the latch, by the way. I mean, it works. Definitely a real tight latch. So I'm not going to say it'll break over time, but as you could see here, these guys are all empty now. I was able to get all four, actually all three, empty. And let me show you the drawers now. And I was able to use one set of drawers, and I still have another drawer that's available. But look, I've got all of my screws and stuff. Everything organized, anchors, you name it. I even got my long nails in here. Look at these guys. Huh? I mean, got to appreciate that. Specialty. But and now I just, you know, once these are pushed in all the way, by the way, you can lock them. You can throw a lock right in there. Obviously, I'm at home. I'm not worried about that. I've got the work surface on here, and I just wanted to share that with you. You know, I'm excited. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching our video. I sure hope you found it helpful. And if you did, give us a thumbs up. We'd appreciate that. I'm going to go ahead and put our social media up on top if you want to follow us. And you'll be able to subscribe to our channel by clicking this round Tech Made Easy logo. Guys, thank you so much and have a wonderful day.